Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my channel about anything, any subject on how to. So for this episode, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to delete your Instagram account permanently. It's very simple. All you have to do is just go to your profile and you go to app and you click on Hub Center. You click on that and you just wait. You hold on. Then you click on the second option, that's manage your account. You click on that. Then all you have to do here is just search for delete account. Then the second option that pops up is delete your account. So you click on that and you hold on. Then you click on how do I delete my Instagram account. You click on that. Then you scroll down, then you see the first option here. You say go to delete your account. You click on that, then you hold on. Then this is the last step, so you just have to click on this box. You click on that, then you choose the reason why you want to delete your account. Maybe too many ads, maybe too busy, too distracting, maybe privacy concerns, maybe anything. But for this video, I'm gonna be choosing anything. Maybe trouble getting started, so I'm gonna be choosing that. Click on that. Then all I have to do right now is just put in my password. So I can just put in the password of this account. I put that in, then I click on done. Then the last step is just to click on delete account. So as soon as you click on that, your account will be deleted. They will give you maybe some time, maybe a few months before your account will be deleted. In case maybe if you change your mind, you can log back in before the deletion date and choose to keep your account. You can read everything right here just below. You see, if you continue, your profile and account details will be deleted on August 5, 2021. That's just like maybe a month from now. So you won't be visible on Instagram between now and then. If you change your mind, you can log back in before the deletion date and choose to keep your account. So if you change your mind later on, you can still log back into your account and you can keep your account. But if you don't log back in, your account will be deleted in a few days, a month or so. So you just click on delete account and that's all. You delete your account and that's done. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys. I really appreciate if you guys support me and subscribe and like my channel and everything. So peace.